Customizable. We have blank slate ones that you can just upload your very own, anything you want. Your logo, your school mascot, doesn't matter. And I've got them for Oreo and cookies and cupcakes, and I've got them for Nutter Butters too now. So I'm just going to show you how quick and easy this is. So I'm going to go down to this class of 2026. Couldn't be easier. Customize. Uploads is what we want. So I'm clicking here and I'm just going to grab this one and look at that. Could that be easier? You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. You can move it around, and we're going to add it to the cart. Oh, so exciting. That's it for this one. Let's do this. One smart cookie. Customize first, and it's going to pull this up, and you're going to get to play around. I'm going to upload something new. The ECG does not have children. So that's Skip and Charlie, and I can change the names. Now I'm going to click on the names. We're going to change it to say Skip and Charlie. Text. Skip and Charlie. So I can make this smaller, and I can put this on Skippy's head. So professional. So I think this is duplicate. Put that on Charlie's head. Look how smart my boys are. And then I can also play with colors. So that's nice. It matches Skip's snood. Very cool. I'm going to put it in my cart, and then I will show you putting it on cookies later. Here we go, guys. So that's David and Mick and Charlie and Skip. I carry 2 kinds of coating on the site. I don't sell anything that I would not eat myself, and they require no tempering. So you literally microwave this stuff, and it's super easy. Don't just pick up an Oreo mold just anywhere. They all vary. This is the one that matches these icing sheets perfectly. I'm gonna just fill these a tiny bit. So we're gonna do one of theirs with just a white chocolate front. I absolutely love the lemon Oreos with the white chocolate. So push these back down, fill the rest. These in the freezer. So I'm just gonna flip it like that. They're ready to roll as is, but I've got so many fun toys. We're gonna start with my edible ribbon. Thinking sometimes we just crust the bottom in sprinkles. So I'm just gonna take my ribbon and this edible glue, just do a tiny bit starting on here and then just smooth it out with a paintbrush. And I usually do it just right around the middle-ish. What if we do a snip there? So it looks kind of like tassely and wonderful. Cute. So there we go. I'm gonna show you how my favorite way to do the sprinkles. I'm gonna go run this under really hot water until it gets warm. You'll see it's starting to melt. Get it off of there. Get it in there. Come on, stick. So now we have one that is actually all over the bottom. So that's another fun thing to do with them. We just filmed this. How cute is that? They are Rice Krispie Pops. So come back, check that out as well, and go show the people you love how much you love them by eating their face. See you guys.